In this video, I'll show you how to create a torn paper effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, unlock the background layer by clicking the lock icon. I'm renaming this layer as Subject. Next, press Ctrl and J to create a duplicate of the subject layer. Now go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Black and White to turn the duplicate layer into black and white. Keep the default preset and click OK. Hold Alt and click the Add Layer Mask button to apply an inverted layer mask to the duplicate layer. Then, select the Brush tool. Open the Brush menu and choose a brush from the Torn Paper brush set. Download link for the Torn Paper brush set is given in the description. You can use the bracket keys to adjust the brush size. Make sure this inverted layer mask is selected and foreground color is set to white. Now, make a single brush stroke as shown to reveal part of the torn area. Next, create a new layer by clicking the Add New Layer button. Right-click this new layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Set the color to white. Then start brushing along the edges of the torn area to create the rough white paper edges. You can change the brush, adjust its size, and rotate it as needed for a more realistic torn paper look. Don't drag the brush, make single brush strokes to draw the white torn paper edges. This makes the effect look more natural. And that's it! You've successfully created a torn paper effect in Photoshop.